Welcome to the Right Button channel. Now I'll show you how to quickly add an event to the calendar on Android, using the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 model as an example. Let's get started. First of all, we find the calendar icon from Google. Click on it. Next, choose the date on which you want to schedule the event. Click on it. In the bottom corner on the right, click on the plus sign. Select the event item. In the field that appears, enter the text. Just below it, set the time and save. Well done! Thank you for supporting the channel by subscribing and liking. Have a nice day.